Hey everybody, Scott here. I'm making this video today because here's a really great marketing tool. And if you're not a member of this website, you need to be. It's called LinkedIn.com. I'm going to go ahead and highlight that for you so you can see it. LinkedIn.com. I've been a member of this website for years and years and years, but I made the mistake of thinking it was only for finding a job, like a 9 to 5 job. And that is clearly not the case. It can be used for so many different things. And so, at any rate, I'm going to show you today how you can make at least $100 a day off of LinkedIn in whether it be Ava or whatever business that you're in. So, you're going to go into the search bar, and I just happened to type in $25 one up. Okay. And as you can see, Mr. Will Robinson here, um, he's an affiliate marketer, right? So, you're going to want to connect with him. So you just click on the connect button just like so, and you add a note. And I happen to already have copied a note that I wanted to send to. So there you go, invite sent. You sent him a message. He's going to get an invite to connect with you. Here's another guy, Rahul. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce that last name, but it's the same thing. You just simply repeat this process. Very, very easy. Now, keep in mind, you can only do, and I'm going to give you guys a little hint here. Here's another guy, affiliate marketer, 30-day challenge to make $1,000. We're going to go ahead and connect with him anyway. Um, it's probably only a good idea to do this for a couple of pages at a time, and then take a little break from it. And the reason why I say take a little bit of a break from it is because they will say that you have message too many people and that you need to come back and try again at a later time or whatever. So I'm going to save you from that. But all I did was when you go down to your messaging, you can see if it will open up. Guys, I apologize. My computer's being a little bit laggy. But you can put in like anything, email, processing system, and you can create contacts like that. But what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're on people. So Omar Sadi, you can send him a message, which, as you can see, I've already sent him a message. But that's just how easy it is. And these people are going because they want to make connections too. They're going to look at your message, and they're going to click on your link. And as well as I do, they may or may not be interested, but it's free exposure. It's free exposure. So if they go to your link and they see the video presentation and they like what they see, then of course they're going to join up. But if they don't, they're not. And we are direct sales, we are marketers, and sales is a numbers game. Now, if you do have Ava, that's a wonderful thing because all you really have to do is just get people to call or text that phone number, but that's fine. But since we are on a global market, this is where your website comes in a great play. So, at any rate, I'm going to end this, and I hope you guys get a lot of value out of this. And I look to see you on the other side. Peace, love, and chicken grease. I'm out.